Hello guys, and welcome to this new Flash tutorial. In this one you will finally learn about how to animate. There are two types of animation: frame by frame animation and tween animation in Flash. First, let me show you the frame by frame animation. Like you can see here we have a person. It seems like it's walking, you see? I'm not actually doing any tween. Here, as you can see, it's not blue or green. So let me let's just check it out. As you can see, I have a keyframe for every frame. Every new keyframe is a new drawing trying to simulate a walk. Okay, so let's see it. You see? There's a person walking. This is frame by frame animation. It basically is drawing the same image over and over again, but with little modifies, with little changes. Sorry. That way you can simulate something like this, a walk. Like it is really walking. So yeah. And that is a frame by frame animation. Next, the tween animation. There are three types of tween animation: the motion tween, the shape tween, and the classic tween. First, the motion tween. It basically, like it says, it controls the motion of an object, like I have in here. Sorry. As you can see, I have two trees, and when I click play, I don't know if you can see that they're moving. Oh god, sorry. You can see that they start moving. You see? That is motion tween. This is the motion tween. It basically changes the... Well, it makes an animation by moving the symbol. Basically, a motion tween, it motion tweens a symbol in the space, or here in the workspace, in the scene. So it is not kind of like frame by frame animation, but it is more fluid rather by the frame rate you have. Let me show you. You can also draw something like this. Let me change it here. Wider. Yeah, good. And this, I don't like it. I like tougher strokes. So yeah, let me show you. In a motion tween, you actually just select this, go to a new frame, and insert a new frame. You just select motion tween. It will something like this will appear if you don't convert the object into a symbol. The symbol is to actually modify it, not modify it in the raw object, but it will be kind of like, well, just changing the outside of the object. I don't know if I can explain it real well. Yeah, as you can see, I have the object selected. It is a motion tween, and as you can see, something like this appeared. Let's just do it again. You just go to the end or to any frame you want to, and just move the object, and it will animate by itself. You see? And not just by translation, but you can also rotate an object. Like here, I will rotate it a little bit, and it will animate. There we go, an animation. Did this. Now I just translate it and rotation. Oh, there we go. Really easy. It's not, that actually doesn't take too much time. It's not really that hard. So yeah, that basically is the motion tween. Second, let's just delete the object. There we go. And let's delete this too. Remove the tween, and there we go. So now the shape tween. The shape tween is more like a transformation tween. It changes the object in all of itself. Like, let me just do something like this, and bigger. Yeah, this. So yeah, I will do this. Yeah, just something like this. And in here, you will actually insert a new keyframe. How to insert a new keyframe is in here, or insert. Well, how to insert a new keyframe? It is in here, insert new keyframe, or in a Mac, Command F6. No, Command Fn, F6. Or yeah, Command. Yeah, forget it. It's just Command Fn, F6. So yeah, in here we'll just delete what I drew and do it the same, but different. Yeah, let's just select create shape tween, and it will actually create an animation, changing the whole object into the next keyframe. Let me do it just a simpler way. Remove the tween and the object. There. Let me do something like a cloud. Okay, cloud. Well, I don't know why am I doing it with too much detail. Let's just, yeah. There we go. And yeah, really good. Here we have the same cloud. Let's use the onion skin. Drag it up to here so that the cloud appears. You can see that nothing is in here, so nothing will appear. And let's draw it again, but with little changes, like this one. It's just that one more, and there we go. Basically, now shape tween, and you can see that the cloud will change. There we go. It will change all the way to the new shape it is formed the next keyframe. It is rather useful for some kind of animations and kind of hard for some other ones. So just for you to know. And the last one, the classic tween. It doesn't appear here. This one I have it in the sidewalk. You can see that all these green frames in every new keyframe. Basically, that is a that is some classic tween. A classic tween is basically the same as my motion tween, but the way it worked in Flash CS3 and earlier versions. So here, instead of just having a keyframe, drag it all the way, and just changing the object in the frame you want to, it doesn't work that way. You have to actually do the keyframes, and that way the animation will occur. As you can see, I just move it in here, and I have a new keyframe. This way I can make the simulation of a sidewalk moving. You see? This is basically this is basically 5 drawings of a sidewalk, just connected together through the motion tween or the classic tween. So yeah, that is basically how you can animate in Flash. There are other forms of animation, but that ones need ActionScript, the code for Flash, something really advanced. So that's it. I think that's it. So see you next time, guys. Oh, I forgot to show you the final animation. So this is basically what you can actually do when you mix all the, well, most of all the animation methods into a single animation. This is what you can get. Yep. What cool guy, isn't it? Now, now yeah, I can go. See you next time, guys. Now, for real.